my car. He's coming up behind me now.
The suspect, Quentin Pace, was also driving south on Martin Luther King Boulevard and struck Officer Flowers' vehicle several times.
He's coming back at me again now. Yeah, he just hit my car. It's taking off northbound again. Looks like it's going to flip around again.
Both vehicles were disabled at Northeast 52nd Street.
I'm hit. I'm trapped in the vehicle.
Officer Flowers was trapped inside his vehicle after the collision. Mr. Pace exited his vehicle with a gun and began firing at Officer Flowers while he was still inside his vehicle. Officer Flowers fired his rifle through the patrol car's windshield and driver's side window, striking Mr. Pace and stopping his actions. Shortly thereafter, a responding officer was able to place Mr. Pace in custody.
Yeah, I got some minor cuts, but I think I'm...